Hello dear students, I am Dr. Chandrakala HD. Welcome to the video classes of the subject Programming Languages in C. From the chapter Control Structures, I'll be teaching you the different types of control structures in this particular video. Conditional statements are an important aspect of C programming language. Using conditional statements, we can alter the flow of execution of the program from mere sequential execution to block execution. The conditional statements consist of a condition which is tested first, and based on the outcome of the condition, whether it comes out to be true or false, any one of the two branches will be taken in execution. If the condition is true, conditional code corresponding to the true logic will be executed, and the other part, which is the block corresponding to condition outcome being false, will be skipped. If the condition is false, then the false block will be executed and true block will be skipped. So this is how the conditional statements will allow you to select any one flow of execution based on the outcome of condition testing. There are different types of conditional statements supported in C language. The first one is if statement, next if-else statement, nested if statement, else if ladder, and switch statement. Totally 5 conditional statements are there. If statement is a simple conditional statement, the most simple conditional statement available in C. It consists of a Boolean expression followed by one or more statements. If condition is satisfied, the block following the condition will be executed, otherwise it will be skipped. The next kind of conditional statement is if-else statement. This statement is a little more complex compared to simple if statement. In this construct, a condition will be checked. If the condition comes out to be true, then the then block will be executed. If the condition is false, the else block will be executed. So based on the outcome of the test condition, which is a Boolean expression, any one of the block, either then block or else block, will be executed and the other one will be skipped. The third conditional statement is nested if statement. So in nested if statement, you can nest an if-else block inside the if block or else block of another if-else statement. So whenever you have to implement a complex logic of conditional statements, you can go for nested if. The fourth type of conditional statement is else if ladder. In else if ladder, in each else statement, you will nest another if-else statement to any level of depth depending on the complexity of the logic which has to be implemented in the program. Next, you have the switch statement, which is a multi-way selection statement. So here you will test a variable and the outcome of the test will be matched with multiple options, and for each option a block of code will be given. So the tested variable will usually match any one of these cases. If it doesn't match with any one of the cases, then a default case will be executed. So switch statement is a multi-way selection statement. So in the further part of this video, we shall learn simple if statement and we shall learn the other types of conditional statements in the upcoming videos. A simple if statement will have a Boolean expression. So Boolean expression is an expression whose outcome can be either true or false. Only two outcomes, true or false. So a Boolean expression will be written along with the keyword if, followed by a block of statements which are enclosed within flower bracket. These are those statements that have to be executed if Boolean expression comes out to be true. So if the condition is true, then the block of statements or conditional codes will be executed pertaining to condition coming out to be true, and then control moves to the next part of the program. If the condition outcome is false, then the conditional code is skipped and the execution moves on to the next part of the program directly. This is an example program which demonstrates the usage of if statement. In this program, I have initialized a variable a, which is an integer with value 10. Then I'll use a simple if statement to check whether a is less than 20. In this case, a less than 20 is true. So we execute the part present inside the flower bracket. That is, there's only a printf statement, which is a executable statement. So we'll display a message a is less than 20. So whatever I have enclosed within /* and / is a comment. These are not executed by the compiler. The comments are only for the user's understanding purpose. So after this printf, we have yet another printf coming out of the true block. We will simply display the value of a is %d a. So the output of this program is a is less than 20, value of a is 10. Say if instead a was 25, then the condition would have come out to be false. Then the output of the program would be value of a is 25. The a is less than 20 statement will be skipped because the condition didn't come to be true. So this is how a simple if statement works. Thank you.